Hi, this is the Google Pixel 7a and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first let's open the Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. After that, tap the voice section and click the voice match. Then you'll see here Hey Google switcher. Just to activate this option, we should tap once on the switcher, and Assistant to recognize your voice, we should just add our voice model. So just tap here to retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. So then just tap to next, not now. And now when we'll say okay Google or hey Google, we could see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.